Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not sending verification code. So how? Sometimes you will be just have to logged out, or sometimes you will be just forgot your password, and when you just logged in again you will be just tab on your forgot password, and it will be just send a confirmation code, and you will be just not received. So how to fix it? So for this we will just move in the journal settings. If you have iOS device, so make sure you just go in the settings and just finding scroll down in the applications, and now we will just find the phone. So after just finding the phone section, just get in, and you'll be just checked the blocked contacts. So you will be make sure that sometimes you will be just unknown number, you will be have to just blocked it. For this reason, verification code can't reach out your contact. So make sure you will be just unblock the number of the verification code. So after this, you will be able to receive the verification code from Instagram. In this way, you will just have to fix it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.